welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to achieve a simple, cute holiday look. I'm going to be doing this style on my natural hair, so stay tuned and keep watching. So my hair is freshly washed. I went ahead and put my leave-in conditioner in the shower, and I used the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture, I believe. And in this video, I'm just going to be using my oil blend, my curl enhancing smoothie, and Eco Styler gel. So for this particular style, I'm actually going to be doing 2 low buns. And I'm going to use a method that I used before. This is the low tension method. And I'll show you guys more once I get to putting my hair into the buns, but this is good for anyone who wants to reduce tension on their hair but wants a sleek look. So that's what I'm going for here. And I am just parting my hair straight down the middle. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take my oil blend. I'll leave what I put in my particular oil blend, I'll leave that down in the description box. But I'm going to take my oil blend and I'm going to put that in my hair first. And I'm just going to do like a layering method. So I'm just going to put my oil first, and then I'm going to put the curl enhancing smoothie, and then I'm going to put the gel. I'm going to do that for each and every section, and I'll only be using my hands. But I will say that when I was in the shower, when I conditioned my hair in the shower, I did detangle my hair with the brush, so keep that in mind. But for the styling method, I'm just going to use my fingers to put these products through. Also guys, I just have some water on standby, so that's what's in the blue bottle, just to keep my hair wet, just so that it didn't dry out too much while I was applying the product. Okay, so once I got done with all the sections in my hair, once I got to the top, that's my son, y'all. Once I got to the top, I started to focus to like kind of slick my hair down just a little bit at the root when I was putting the gel in, just so it could just lay flat and just look a little bit more sleek, I guess. Okay, so at this point, I am just going to start laying my baby hairs down with my hands. And I'm actually going to also use like this little brush, which you'll see in a second. And I'm just starting to like style my hair how I want it to lay and stuff like that. So I'm going to leave some pieces out in the front, kind of leave some hanging a little bit just to add to the look a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a small rubber band and I'm going to soak it in oil. So that's what you'll see me doing here, pouring some of my oil over the rubber band to put it on my hair. And when I put this on my hair, I'm only going to put it on, like I'm not even going to wrap it. I'm just going to place it around my hair once. So now you'll just see me like kind of, you know, styling my hair or whatever. I'm taking a little bit of gel, putting some gel on some of the pieces that are hanging just so they can last throughout the day. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and take a bobby pin. Well, this is not a bobby pin technically, it's called a hairpin, whatever, because it's open. And I'm gonna roll my hair into a small bun, and I'm gonna pin my hair with maybe about 2 Okay, so now I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Okay, so now to spice up this look, I'm just going to go ahead and add these bobby pins that I just showed you. In the color that they are is like a bronze color, and I'm just going to add them along the sides to create like a little side detail on each side of my head. So yeah. And yes, guys, this is it. This is my final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully this gave you a little bit of inspiration for your holiday look. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.